What it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We end up saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka Phoenix the Fireboy, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what it is. I'm gonna go around, come back. Yeah, let me do it. Yeah, I came back, guys. This is what I came back with. Yeah, I know you probably thought, hold on, he's already in a jacket. Was he gonna put another jacket on? No. Today we have this. Let me show you what we got. We've got this 80th anniversary Yoshida & Co Limited times Stone Island bag. Right, there's Porter right there, Yoshida & Co, made in Japan, you know what I'm saying, right there. And we have this beautiful, I'm gonna just put it to the side, no one's gonna wear it like that. You can readjust this, which I will do. Okay, so guys, let's get into this as if we're getting into it. Let me just loosen this up so we can see exactly what we're working with. That's a bit better, a little bit better, because we're gonna wear it across like that. All right, guys, so we have this blue, fetching blue, I would like to say, royal blue, Porter, Yoshida & Company Stone Island bag. As you can see right there, you have their insignia demarcation right there, and of course, you're not blind, you can see the famous Stony badge logo right there. Okay, so let's start from the top. On the top we got this zip. The zip says Porter. It's quite thin, but you know, it does its job. And inside you have enough space for, you know, maybe a mini iPad mini, couple little bits there, do you know what I mean, you put in there, sweet. Okay, now let's get into the bit. So to move this up, oh, Velcro, let's look. So you've got those two Velcro straps, which are very, very strong. As you saw, almost broke my arms taking it off. Now they're attaching to this bit here and this bit here, and then you've got this kind of crinkle wraps material. I don't want to start using names, but you've got this crinkle wrap material which make up the pockets. Okay, now geez, look at that Velcro, hand in there, definitely room there for your small apartment, bars of gold, and family pet. Excuse the wind blowing, but it is windy. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, so you've got the exact same on the other side, and once again your hand goes in, it might not come out for a couple days. Enough room for enough things. Get me, fam. All right, now lid is up. Once again, you've got the Yoshida Porter zip right there. Let me just give you a bit of that. See the lineage on it. Now if we open this up, this is on the top bit. You open this up and wow, let's look. As you can see, Stone Island right there, Porter, Yoshida, everything looking kosher. Very, very nice. And once again inside, let me take this off. Once again inside, you have another set of Velcro bits right there. So there you see, Velcro, another secret compartment. I say secret, you know it's there. Flattened, Velcro, boom, and then you've got enough room in here to carry a few bits that you cop from the Stone Island store, or that you've copped from me, you know. Yeah, and really, really nice, guys, really nice. I'm digging this bag. I am digging it. Of course, you have this nice canvas strap, which is adjustable. I'm gonna put that right back on so you can see right there, you know what I'm saying. Like we just being a messenger in our fly messenger gear. Yeah, I mean, ain't nothing but nothing, and it's very nice. Blue is the color. Oh shit, that's a song for someone else. No, blue is not the color. Common you Spurs. Anyways, what else am I missing? Oh yes, there's a, if you look at the back, once again, there's zips galore on this, and we love a zip, and that of course is just another repository for other stuff. Yeah, of course, like I said, you've got the little booklet in there, and that will tell you all about the piece. 80th anniversary, you know what I'm saying. This piece is actually for sale, so if anyone is interested, just hit me up. I will be posting this on my Nice Bit of Kit That _ Instagram, so yeah, just let me know. Yeah, and that is that, guys. You know, another piece of kit from yours truly. This has been a Stone Island Yoshida and Company Porter. I guess you'd call it not a satchel, but a side bag or something. guys, you already know what this has been. This has been nice bit of kit that. I've been your host P Fire, aka Finish the Fireboy. This has been another episode of, I already said that, but this has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian, you guys as always have been beautiful. I appreciate you. I love that you take the time to comment and have conversation with me. So yeah, 2022, let's get it. Stay dope, stay fly, and yeah, keep being you, man. You can't be anyone else. You're an expert at being you. Alright gang, mad love, peace.